It's a tough holiday season for embattled basketball player John Amores. The PBA has confirmed he will not receive any salary from the Northport Batang Pier while dealing with the revocation of his professional license. Earlier this week, the Games and Amusements Board officially revoked Amores' license. This stops him from playing in the PBA or any other professional league in the country. The revocation comes after Amores was charged with attempted murder for a shooting incident in Laguna last September. PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall says he has spoken to Amores, who shared his plans to appeal the ruling. Marshall adds that both the PBA and Northport will take a step back while the appeal process is underway. Marshall did note that Amores' license will also expire soon, leaving a small window for him to return to professional basketball if his appeal is successful.
Sa kausap ko si Amores, sabi ko, nakatanggap na ako, anong balak mo? Balak niyang umapil. Kasi talaga naman umapil eh. Ang PBA, we will comply. Kasi gobyerno yun at under supervision tayo ng GAB. So, yun ang gagawin natin. Tignan natin kung hindi ko alam kung kailan siya a-appeal. Pero a-appeal daw siya. So far, nabasa ko pala hindi naman pala ban eh. Nire-revoke.
So technically.
So mag-expire din naman talaga yung kanyang so kailangan talaga appeal ng player yun eh. Appeal at kami ang PBA talagang kailangan mag-comply kasi government kung anong dapat. Pwede namin anong pwedeng sabihin o whatever pwede kong i-set up kay chairman, yun lang ang matutulong ko sa kanya. Pero kung appeal talagang kasi personal niya, hindi naman sa PBA. Pagkakaalam ko, tatanong ko din sa legal, wala si sweldo. No play, no pay tayo. Alam ko may 1 taon pa yun eh.
Wala.
No play, no pay tayo.